This was my laptop fan sound with grinding noise. This is my laptop without fan vibrating noise after following all the steps mentioned on this video. So you can also convert your old computer in new branded computer after applying few magic tricks. These magic tricks will help you to fix laptop fan vibrating noise. My laptop is getting old. The laptop keyboard is not working properly. My laptop fan vibrating noise is coming out very badly. Maybe you are also thinking that how to fix laptop fan grinding noise. Maybe you are also wondering how to fix laptop noisy fan. So today you will get free magic trick. So stick around for the expert tips and tricks. Still, if you have zero knowledge, so you will be able to save the repairing cost. If I had this trick earlier, I was also able to save my money and time. Even 1 second, don't skip, otherwise you will lose the valuable knowledge from this video. So start from first magic trick, software. There are several software options available that can help fix fan grinding noise issues on Windows operating system laptops. This software solutions typically focus on optimizing system performance, controlling fan speed, and monitoring hardware temperature to ensure efficient cooling. By addressing factors that contribute to excessive fan noise, such as high CPU usage or inadequate ventilation, these tools can help reduce the workload on the fan and minimize noise levels. Adjust your laptop power setting. Adjusting power settings to prioritize energy efficiency over performance can lower the CPU clock speed and decrease its power consumption. Adjusting power settings in a Windows operating system can be instrumental in mitigating issues like grinding fan noise. You can fix laptop fan grinding noise by adjusting your laptop power setting. For this, open the control panel and navigate to power option, or right-click on the battery icon in the system tray and select power options. Choose a power plan that suits your needs, such as balanced, power saver, or high performance. To customize your power plan, click on Change Plan Setting next to the selected plan. Adjust the settings for turn off the display and put the computer to sleep to conserve power when the laptop is idle. Click on Change Advanced Power Setting to access more options including processor, power management, display, brightness, and USB settings. In the Advanced Power Settings menu, you can fine-tune individual settings to optimize performance or extend battery life. Consider creating a custom power plan tailored to your specific usage patterns and preferences. Remember to apply your changes and monitor how they affect your laptop's performance and battery life over time. Use few system tools. You can fix laptop fan grinding noise using few system tools. For this, there are two options available. Disk management. By defragmenting the hard drive, you can reorganize fragmented files, allowing them to be stored in contiguous clusters. Defragmenting your hard drive in a Windows operating system can play a vital role in addressing issues like grinding noise. This optimization streamlines data access and reduces the amount of disk activity required to retrieve files, ultimately decreasing the workload on the CPU and other system components. As a result, the fan may operate more efficiently, generating less noise as it maintains optimal temperature. For this, press the Windows key or click on the Start menu. Type Defragment and Optimize Drives and press Enter to open the tool. In the Defragment and Optimize Drives window, you will see a list of available drives. Select the drives you want to defragment and optimize from the list. Click on the Optimize or Analyze button to check the current fragmentation level of the drive. If the drive is heavily fragmented, click on the Optimize button to start the defragmentation process. Wait for the defragmentation process to complete. This may take some time depending on the size and fragmentation level of the drive. Once the defragmentation process is finished, you will see a message indicating that the drive has been successfully optimized. Repeat the process for the other drives if necessary. Close the Defragment and Optimize Drives window. You can schedule automatic optimization by clicking on the Change Settings button and selecting the frequency for optimization, example weekly or monthly.
Disk cleanup.
Performing disk cleanup in a Windows operating system can help alleviate issues like grinding fan noise by optimizing system performance and reducing unnecessary strain on hardware components. By running disk cleanup, users can remove these unneeded files, freeing up disk space and improving overall system efficiency. For this, press Windows+S, type Disk Cleanup and select the Disk Cleanup app from the search results. Disk Cleanup helps free up disk space by removing unnecessary files and temporary data. Select the drive you want to clean up and click OK to let 𝗧𝗂𝗵𝗶𝗹 analyze the disks. Once the analysis is complete, select the types of files you want to delete, such as temporary files, recycle bin contents, and system cache. View the list of files to be deleted and click OK to proceed with the cleanup. 𝗧𝗂𝗵𝗶𝗹 will remove the selected files, freeing up space on your hard drive. Consider running 𝗧𝗂𝗵𝗶𝗹 regularly to keep your system optimized and prevent unnecessary clutter build-up. Update your laptop BIOS and drivers. Updating the BIOS and drivers of a computer can be crucial in addressing issues like grinding fan noise. The BIOS, or basic input-output system, is responsible for initializing hardware components during startup, including the fan. A BIOS update can optimize fan control algorithms, improving their efficiency and reducing noise levels. Similarly, drivers act as communication bridges between the operating system and hardware components like the fan. Outdated or faulty drivers may cause the fan to operate inefficiently or erratically, leading to increased noise. By updating the BIOS and drivers, users can ensure that their computer fan operates smoothly and quietly. We can easily fix laptop grinding noise by doing update your laptop BIOS and drivers. For this, visit the website of your laptop manufacturer and navigate to the support or download section. Enter your laptop's model number or serial number to find the latest BIOS and driver updates. Download the updates for your BIOS, chip-based graphics card, and other relevant components. Follow the manufacturer instructions carefully when updating your BIOS to avoid potential risks. Install the driver updates one by one, restarting your laptop as necessary to apply the changes. Consider using driver update softwares like Driver Booster or Driver Easy to automate the process and ensure all drivers are up to date. Keep in mind that updating BIOS carries some risks, so it is important to proceed cautiously and only update if necessary to address specific issues. Boot your laptop. Booting the computer is necessary to effectively diagnose and address the issue of grinding fan noise because it allows access to system BIOS or boot menu. This is the last option to fix laptop grinding noise via softwares. For this, ensure your laptop is connected to a power source or has sufficient battery charge. Press the power button to turn on your laptop. During startup, you may see the manufacturer logo or a brief message indicating which key to press to enter the BIOS or boot menu. Typically, it is F2 button, F10 button, F12 or delete button. Press the specified key to access the BIOS or boot menu. In the BIOS or boot menu, select the appropriate boot device, usually the internal hard drive or SSD where the operating system is installed. Save changes and exit the BIOS or boot menu. Your laptop will now boot into the operating system such as Windows or Linux. If this first magic trick didn't work, then you can implement the second magic trick. Remove dust from fan. Cleaning the dust from your Windows computer is essential for resolving fan grinding noise issues. Over time, dust accumulates inside the computer case, particularly around the fan and heat sinks. This buildup restricts airflow and causes the fan work harder to cool the system, resulting in increased noise levels. By regularly cleaning your computer interior, you can remove this accumulated dust and restore optimal airflow. Use compressed air or a soft brush to carefully dislodge and remove dust from the fan blades, heat sinks, and other components. Be thorough by gentle to avoid damaging sensitive parts. By eliminating dust buildup, you can improve the efficiency of your computer's cooling system, allowing the fan to operate more smoothly and quietly. Regular cleaning not only reduces fan noise but also helps prevent overheating and prolongs the lifespan of your hardware. It is the process to clean dust from Windows computer fans. Power off your computer and unplug it from the power source. Open the computer case by removing the side panel or accessing the fan vents depending on your computer's design. Use a can of compressed air or a soft brush to gently dislodge dust and debris from the fan blades and surrounding components. Hold the fan in place with your finger or a non-conductive object to prevent it from spinning while cleaning. Direct the compressed air or brush strokes away from the computer components to avoid blowing dust deeper into the system. Pay special attention to areas where dust tends to accumulate, such as around the fan blades, heat sinks, and air vents. Use a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment to remove any loose dust particles from the case interior. Avoid touching any electronic components directly to prevent static discharge or damage. Once the fan and surrounding areas are clean, replace the computer case side panel and secure it in place. Plug in your computer and power it on to ensure the fan is functioning properly and the noise issue is resolved. The second magic trick may fix your laptop grinding noise. Still, if your Windows computer fan grinding noise is not fixing you can apply third magic trick. Replace the new fan. Replacing the laptop fan in a Windows computer is a necessary step to resolve fan grinding noise issues effectively. Over time, laptop fans can wear out or become clogged with dust and debris, causing them to operate inefficiently and produce excessive noise. By replacing the old fan with a new one, you can restore proper airflow and cooling performance to your laptop, thereby eliminating the source of the grinding noise. This process involves opening up the laptop, locating the fan assembly, and carefully removing and replacing the fan unit with a compatible replacement. It's the process for replacing a new fan in a Windows computer. Purchase your laptop model's fan from Amazon or from other platforms. Power up the computer and disconnect all cables. Place the computer on a flat, stable surface in a well-lit area. Remove the side panel or access panel to gain access to internal components. Locate the fan that needs to be replaced. Fans are typically found near the CPU, GPU, or case bands. Disconnect the power cable and any other connectors attached to the fan. Remove any screws or fastener securing the fan to the case or heatsink. Carefully lift the old fan out of its mounting location and set it aside. Place the new fan into the same mounting location, ensuring it is oriented correctly. Secure the new fan in place using the screws or fasteners removed earlier. Reconnect the power cable and any other connectors to the new fan. Double-check all connections and ensure the fan is securely installed. Replace the side panel or access panel on the computer case and secure it with the screws. Reconnect all cables and peripherals to the computer. Power on the computer and monitor the new fan to ensure it is functioning properly. Monitor the computer for any signs of overheating or abnormal noise, indicating a potential issue with the new fan installation. By implementing those 3 magic tricks, you can also fix the laptop grinding noise from your laptop. Most important thing is that if you want to speed up your computer 10x faster than before, then you can watch left side video. And if you don't know how to create bootable USB drive, then you can watch right side video.